Hey everybody, Kim, Katrina, and Pinto here on the homestead. We're actually in the greenhouse today. It was like 80 in here when we came in here.
80?
So I think it was like...
It felt like 180.
Oh no, it's 80 right now. It's 80 now. It was very hot, so we had to open the windows and vent it out a little bit. And then it got a little cooler, so we just closed it. So what we're doing here is we built this table here that is going to have that real small 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch mesh stapled to the top of it, and that way we can have all of our plantings and stuff on the top here. Whatever we water here, I'm gonna switch. Trina's gonna come this way. I'm gonna go this way.
I'm going to, but of course, Pinto's decided.
Come. So if you look in the middle here, we have dirt piled in the middle, and the reason for that is we're actually going to be building like a frame around the bottom. What do we pick, a 2-inch, 6-inch board or 8-inch board?
I believe it was an 8.
So that's going to be containerized inside of there. So whenever we water something on the top, any excess water will go through the mesh and it'll go down into the dirt garden that we have underneath as well, so that we can utilize everything. So this was a pile of stuff that the prior owner had off in a field somewhere, and he was, I think, composting it because it's absolutely...
It's gorgeous dirt.
Gorgeous dirt.
It smells like good dirt.
Our dirt here it's just horrible. I mean, you can see out the wall of
Not really, but
greenhouse. It's just stupid dirt. So this is great dirt. And we have more. So we're going to fill this up, and then we'll grow like our zucchinis and squashes and things like that down at the bottom here, butternut squash, stuff like that. So, and another thing that's cool.
And beans.
And beans. And the prior owner also left this table. It was in the generator shed. The legs were folded up under it, and it was just kind of standing against the wall. We didn't even know what it really was. So we pulled it out the other day and unfolded the legs and put the top on, and now I got a potting table. Potting table.
Free potting table.
Yeah, and then all our dirt right now is stored underneath. All of our stuff to get things growing, all of our little seed starters. We saved all our yogurt cups. So all these will start to fill up soon and start planting. We still can't plant really here, even in the greenhouse, because at nighttime it's getting down to 30 outside. We're not sure what it stays like in here. We're going to have to try to start monitoring that. We can heat it. We have a bunch of propane tanks and heaters and stuff like that if we want to heat it. But we had 1 inch of snow today.
Well, we woke up to it.
We woke up to 1 inch of snow this morning, and it melted by noon. 2 days ago, we had 2 inches of snow. It melted by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So still pretty sporadic here up on the mountain. But yeah, so we're going to get our bottom frame on this. I don't know that we're going to get to staple our wire on today. That'll probably be tomorrow. And keep collecting dirt. We still have at least this much dirt. We already have, this was 8 buckets, 8 5-gallon buckets worth of dirt. We already have that staged in our lean-to out here, and there's more up on the hill where this came from. So we're just gonna keep snagging it and utilize it because it's good stuff. And then tomorrow we're going on a little adventure. We're going to Corvallis, Montana, not Corvallis, Maine.
That's an adventure.
And picking up our 2 giant 275-gallon water tanks, so that we can start getting our rainwater that we've collected into the water tanks, which they're going to get staged outside here. And then they'll be close to the greenhouse for all of our watering. So, going on a road trip tomorrow. Yay. All right. Cheers from the homestead. See you next time. Hey everybody, Kim here on the homestead. So we're prepping our garden bed here, the one that's going to be underneath our trays. So we got a really nice soil in there. I'm putting some eggshells in. We just dug up probably 8 buckets already of biochar that was in the bottom of our fire pit.
Honey.
What?
What's biochar?
Biochar is ash, basically. Burned down ash and stuff like that. And then come zoom in on it. It's really nice looking soil. Because it's really broken down already. It's not giant chunks, you know, that sometimes I take out of the wood stove.
And what the heck are you doing now?
So these are eggshells that we've been saving. Some from Pennsylvania. We brought some with us, and then some since we've been here. So I'm putting a layer of eggshells down in this. Then we're going to put the biochar on top of this. Turn it all in together, and then repeat the process. And like I said, this is going to be for, you know, zucchinis and squash and stuff like that underneath. And this way we're not wasting any water from the netting that we're going to put on top, and then all of our little planters and seed starters and stuff like that will drain right down into here, which would be awesome. We're not losing space. So we've doubled our growing space here by doing this. So pretty excited. We use just regular boards on the side. I actually brought these from Pennsylvania. This was a frame from one of my raised beds back in Pennsylvania that I didn't use, so we brought it with us, and thank goodness we did, because right now the cost of lumber is just ridiculous. So
I know, we brought a lot of wood with us.
we did. It was a lot of weight, but saved a lot of money. So we're going to turn this in, put the biochar in, and repeat and keep going. I have another bag of eggshells there. They'll get mixed in the next layer. I have a little bag of ground up bones and stuff from when we processed our rabbits this fall and winter. And that'll get mixed in as well. Like honest bone meal, like you buy in the store. You buy bags of bone meal to put into your soil. Well, we have real bones from the animals that we processed. And I'm pretty proud of that, to be able to use it and use it full cycle, full circle. All right, it's getting hot in here. I gotta take this shirt off. We'll catch up to you on the next layer or whatever we're doing next. If we get some planting done, we're hopefully getting planting done today. Our strawberries and our asparagus are currently in the refrigerator, bare root right now in bags that my mom sent out from Pennsylvania. We've got to get those in the ground. We have our raspberry and blueberry bush we got to get in the ground, our fig tree, and our pear tree. So we got a lot to do today. So got to cut it off. All right, see you, bye. All right, so I just want to show everybody, this is actually what bone looks like after it's burned up a little bit. And I want to show you how easily this just disintegrates and breaks down. That's it. That's how easy bone breaks down. Just like that. So, good stuff for the soil. Just wanted to share. And you can see it's, dust, and I'm just going to churn it right in there and mix it in. So, all right. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye. Hey, everybody. Came here on the homestead. Tired. Long day. So this is what we did. We have our dirt in the bottom. We put the eggshells in. Some crushed up bone. The
Pinto wants to get in there and dig.
The ash and the biochar is in there. Turned it all in. Looks really nice. Really, really happy with that. And then, of course, down underneath is the gravel, so it'll actually have some drainage coming out the bottom, too. So we built these panels. We initially thought we were going to just tack the wire meshing onto here, but Katrina had a really good thought to do this. So we made 3 panels that we can take on and off, and that makes me happy. So then, where do I have one of mine? Oh, all the way down here. So now on the top of here, we can do all kinds of plantings and these kinds of things in our starters. And then as everything on the top gets watered, excess water will go down the bottom. So we got a lot done today. Wish we had gotten to plant a couple things, but there's always tomorrow. So pretty proud of what we did. Okay.
It's hot in here.
It is hot in here. Calling it a wrap. All right, just adding to this video, so it's a nice, informative video. All right, Pinto is apparently interested in the bones and stuff in the dirt. Okay, peace out from Homestead.